everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about our best sellers, the TrueFlame Solar Crook Lantern. Let's get going. So in the box comes the lantern itself, and a bag with the handle and the stake. Now the lantern is incredibly easy to put together. It is just a matter of slotting in the handle like so. For the stake we have these screws and metal poles that they just screw into, like that. Next we screw together the poles, and the lantern comes with a rubber plug at the top, so it's not letting in any water. Then you just slot the plastic stake in the bottom and put it in the ground. Now the lantern is really simple to operate. It is just an on button and making sure you wait for it to get dark. The solar panel has a dusk sensor and it will not turn on until the light falls below a certain point. So this lantern will only work in the twilight hours or at night, or if the solar panel is covered. So we've turned the light down. Let's give it a go. You hold it down for 3 to 5 seconds and you get this amazing orange flame-like flicker. I think this is an amazing light to line your garden paths, to put next to a pond or a tree. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a like, and if you have any questions regarding the TrueFlame Solar Crook Lantern, please just drop us a comment below and we will try our best to answer your questions. This light is so unbelievably stunning, and when we've used it for shoots, I've always been impressed by how bright it is and how great the flicker looks. We hope to see you on the next video. Thanks very much for watching.